welcome back to the pink envelope. I have Tiered Tray Decor box here. I don't feel like I've opened Tiered Tray box in forever, so I'm really excited that it's here. This is the June box, full spoiler box. So I'm about to show you everything that is going to come in your June Tiered Tray subscription box. If you are new around here, they are a monthly subscription box at $50 a month, and they do offer prepay discounts with free US shipping. If you use code PINK10, you get 10% off your first box, and you get a free item in your first box. That's a pretty bang-up deal. Tiered Tray box is a Tiered Tray Decor subscription box. It's that simple. They send 5 to 8 themed Tiered Tray Decor items each month, and the girl who owns the box is an interior design. So if you need help decorating your tray, you have some questions about it, you can reach out to them and say, hey, help me decorate my tray, which I think is really cool. She does include a style guide and tips and tricks you can get on their Instagram page. You can get on the exclusive Facebook page that talks about how to decorate. But if you want a next level with your tray, because trays are different. Some of them are really long, some of them are square, some are round, 2-tier, 3-tier, 4-tier. She will help you decorate your tray. If you want to get this box I'm showing here, you need to order before May 31st because this box will ship at the 1st of June. I don't know what's in here, so I'm really excited. I'm very glad I did that sneak peek because we're going to dive in together and see it all for the first time. And I have great news. Tiered Tray box is a giveaway box. If you want to enter to win a Tiered Tray box, you must like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment below and tell me about your tiered tray. Why do you love decorating? Do you decorate seasonally? Or do you decorate for every single holiday? Even some of them like more fun nuanced ones. Did you decorate your tiered tray for Mother's Day? I would love to know that. Maybe tell us what you're loving about your tiered tray subscription or what you love from this box, and that will enter you to win. I will draw one winner and you will get a box. Side note, you must live in the United States and you have to be over the age of 18 to enter to win. All right, on top I can see some blue and some red. Oh my gosh, is this patriotic theme? That would be super exciting if it were patriotic theme. If you've been around here very long, you know I go all out with red, white, and blue starting mid-June, and it's like on. We just celebrate my birthday, celebrate 4th of July. It is a very happy time in this household. Kids are out of school, so we're partying. It's great. All right, got some of that crinkle paper out of the way so it wouldn't make a mess. On top, we have a blue star. I am a fan of the star. He's fairly thick also. He's going to stand up well. We have a little hang tag with a red star on it. The back is plain, so if you are a creative one, you could hack this and put whatever you want on the back. So no matter which side this is on, it has a decorative look to it. Same thing with this star. Let me show you. Let me just pull this random tag off. Oh, maybe I can't. Let's see. Same thing with this star. I didn't get the tag off, but it is a basic clean back. So if you wanted to hack the back of the star, you absolutely could to have a front and back design. I know a few of you guys are really good at doing those dual designs on these pieces. We have a blue flower pick. I don't know what type of flower this is. Any of you flower gurus out there know what this is? It's not like a super high quality stem. It's just your average, like, think Hobby Lobby stem. It's good. It's beautiful. It's got great colors, but it's not like over the top fabulous. It's a typical stem. I freaking love that it's within theme. We have a gnome. A little bit interesting that he's black and white and gray. It kind of leads me to like curiosity about what's in the rest of the box. I'm a gnome fan. I know some of y'all are like, no more gnomes. I have not reached that point. I happen to think they're very happy still, so he brings me joy. Oh, we got another star. We have a white star right there. Let me just see. These are all Tiered Tray Decor, right? So everything's pretty small. But like the gnome is 7 inches. The star is about 4.5 inches. The little tag is about 4 inches, just to kind of give you an idea if you're thinking about a particular tray and wondering. Oh, what is this guy? He's wrapped so well, I'm thinking he's breakable. Tell me in the comments below, how many tiered trays do you decorate? Do you just have like your one staple tier tray that you decorate, or do you have like one on your entry table and one on your dining table and maybe one on the bar near the kitchen? Tell me, because I know some of you guys have 3 or 4 trays that you rotate with a theme or a season. It's pretty awesome. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's a little jar, but it's like, it's patriotic theme in my opinion, but it's not also like, you could use this during winter. You could use this for just about anything. But oh my gosh, so perfect for a red, white, and blue tray. It has a rope handle. Love, love, love this. It has like, I'm guessing like a textured paint type, like a gritty sand type paint, which gives it a good 3D texture to it. Love that. There's a lot of packing materials. I'm pretty sure this is everything that comes in the box, but I want to go through this packing material just to make sure we don't miss something, because we get 5 to 8 items, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. But let me just make sure. Okay, so this is what is in the June tiered tray subscription box. And they were telling me that in the box you can expect to see seasonal decor, year-round decor, even things like a hand towel or a candle or a mug, little garlands, little signs, various home decor items. And they do have an online shop. So if you see an item that you like, that you want another one of, you could hop on there and check to see what they have in stock. And the owner, Kendra, had to ship this to me early, so she has not sent over the QR code with the full styling, but that is included in the box. So when you get your items, you can kind of take a peek and see, what did Kendra do? What is she liking about her box? And then she also has her Instagram page that you can steal inspiration from. I know for me personally, I'll sometimes hit my tiered tray, and after a little bit, I'm like, time for a change. Or I'll be playing on something like Tiered Tray's Instagram and see something I love and literally jump up out of bed, run in the living room, and start redecorating the tiered tray. Jonathan thinks I'm crazy, but I have the most fun in those moments when I'm doing that type of thing. Okay, I want to show you this on my tiered tray that I have in there right now. The tiered tray that I have in there right now actually came in my habitation box. So if you're like, hey, I've seen that somewhere, that's where it came from. But let me show you how I set these items up on there real quick. Okay, I ran in there and grabbed my tray, and I changed my shirt. It felt like appropriate to be in something red, white, and blue. So this is my tray that came in my May habitation box. That box is no longer available, but if you get on their website, you might be able to get one of the trays from their online shop. And you do not have to be a member to shop the online shop. So if you want to hop over there and get this gorgeous 3-tiered tray. And you'll actually notice a couple of the items from that habitation box on the tray. I didn't take them off. I thought they incorporated really beautifully with the tiered tray subscription. So I added a candle. I added all of the items from our box. Hung this on the vase that came in that last subscription. I'm done. It took me more time to find the shirt and put it on than it did to decorate my tiered tray. I think it turned out so stinking cute. I do think I'm going to look for a little more pop of red to put, probably skipping this level to put on this level, because I think it would be cute to have one more pop of red near these stars. What do y'all think? Okay, you guys, if you've not already shared this channel with a friend, please do. I'm trying to reach 20,000 subscribers on YouTube. That is so mind-blowing for me. I'm like, can't believe this little channel of us hanging out and playing with amazing subscription boxes has gotten to a point where we're gonna have 20,000 people hanging with us. But that is my big goal. And I would love, love, love to do it by my birthday. And my birthday is July 7th. So we'll see. So if you would share this with a friend, there is a share button right down there. You can click share. You can share it, I think, to Twitter, to Facebook, to LinkedIn, to Pinterest. Any of those that you can do would be great. Leave it in a comment. If you shared, be like, I shared it. It makes my heart so happy to see that. If you have any questions about Tiered Tray Box, let me know. I am here to help. Kendra's here to help. I hope that you have an absolutely amazing day. And if you're subscribed, I'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.